some grammar, okay? We're going to learn prepositions. Now let me just explain what prepositions are to you, okay? They show location, okay? And the words we're going to use are out of our book. We have a lot of prepositions that are in the book. Okay, the prepositions we have are in. Everybody repeat after me. In. Through. On. Up. Around. Out. Inside. You see all these show a location, right? So I'm going to explain that in a little bit of a detail of what that means. So I'm going to have everybody turn to the page, first page, where it shows right here. Everybody turn to this page in your book.
No, I don't have
Oh, no tenemos book? Why do you not have a book? Oh, you've been using that?
I don't have any more book.
So go ahead and turn to this page here in the book. Now the sentence reads, in the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. So everybody repeat after me. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on the leaf. A leaf. So what does that mean? So here we have a leaf, right? And we have the light showing, and the egg and the leaf are inside the light. But I'll explain that a little bit better. We're going to use in another context. So we'll use a sentence. And I'll read this. The boy is in the classroom.
The boy is in the classroom.
So what does that mean? We're going to picture this. And we're going to use a box. Okay? So we have a box, and we are inside the box. Okay? This is the classroom. Okay? We are in the classroom. We are not outside the classroom. We are in the classroom. Okay, so think that through. The boy is in the classroom, and in means inside the circle, okay? So when we say in the light of the moon, that means we're talking about this object being inside the light, okay? So we can see the egg in the light of the moon, okay? So we'll read this sentence again. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. Very good. So do we understand a little bit about in?
Yes.
The next one we're going to do is through, okay? So everybody turn to this page here. And we'll read this one. I'll read it and then you can repeat after me. On Saturday, he ate through one piece of chocolate cake, one ice cream cone, one pickle, one slice of cheese, one slice of salami, one lollipop, one piece of cherry pie, one sausage, one cupcake, and one slice of watermelon. Very good. Now we're going to explain what the word through means as a preposition. Now remember, preposition shows location or position. Okay? Now, the book has holes in it, right? So that can give us an idea of how he ate through the food, correct? He ate through it. So I'll give sentence examples. Okay, we'll repeat after me. The boy looked
The boy looked
through
through
the window.
the window.
So what does that mean? He looked through the window, right? He was looking outside, but in order to look outside, you have to look through the window, okay? Another example would be, I will walk through the door, okay? I walk through the door. I walk through the door. Okay, does that make sense? So when the caterpillar is eating, what is he doing? He is eating through the food, okay, and he'll eat it all up. So do we understand the word through? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. The next one we're going to learn is on. On. Now what does that mean, on? So we're going to use an example of the egg. And the egg is on the leaf. Okay?
Oh.
It's showing a position. Another example. That's a table. I know it doesn't look like a table, but that's a table. So the egg is on the table, okay? So it is showing it is on the table. Another example, the notebook is on the table, all right? So we understand on, so it has to be physically kind of touching it. It's on the table. Okay? So repeat after me. On Monday, he ate through one apple. And it goes on, but we'll just show the apple. And we all remember seeing a caterpillar in the apple?
Yes.
Okay. And then he ate through the apple, but on Monday. So it shows location and time of Monday. When did he do it? On Monday.
Excuse me, teacher. Another word is at.
At? You want to learn at?
For me, the at.
Sure. Sure. We will learn at real quick here. It's not in the book, but I agree. It's an important one to know. And repeat after me. The boy is at the store. So what does that mean? Does that mean that he is in the store?
Yes.
It could mean that he is in the store,
No.
but it doesn't
No.
necessarily. Could he be outside, but he's next to the store? He could be at the store, correct? Now that's more of a location where he is at a different place. Another example, we are at school. Repeat after me. We are at the school.
at the school.
We are at the school. More examples. more examples. So repeat after me. The boy arrived
The boy arrived
at the store.
at the store.
And that means he went to the store. It doesn't necessarily mean that he went inside the store, but he went to the store and he arrived at the store. So the location shows is that he is at. He's not, remember the box
Not
showed
inside.
in,
Inside.
not in. He could be at next to it and be at the store. Okay? Let's use one more sentence. Okay, we'll do one more. The boy is at
The boy is at
baseball practice.
baseball
So he's not
practice.
in anywhere. He might be on the field, but he is at baseball practice. Okay? So you would say en español, ¿dónde está?
Oh, no, yeah.
¿Dónde está el niño? The boy is at baseball practice. Allá.
Um,
Más
well,
preguntas.
déjame pensar.